Presenting the LG 29-inch ultra-wide IPS monitor in black color, which is suited for watching videos and playing games. This monitor comes with full HD resolution. With full HD resolution, this monitor delivers vivid colors and vibrant images that give you a theater-like experience. It comes with 29-inch Full HD IPS display and ultra-wide display ratio of 21:9 offers an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. With over 99% coverage of the sRGB spectrum, the monitor reproduces highly accurate colors. The dynamic action sync allows you to see the action in real time as it happens in the game by cutting out delays due to the image processing. It also comes with AMD FreeSync Technology that allows you to see the fast on-screen motion clearly and smoothly with less motion blur, judder and ghosting. It has a black stabilizer that gives you full visibility even in deep dark scenes. The dual link-up feature allows two compatible portable devices to be connected to the monitor and both can be viewed on the same screen simultaneously. It also comes with screen split that displays up to two windows at once, allowing you to multitask. This monitor also comes with a wall mount support. The monitor has one HDMI port, one display port, and USB-C connectivity port for easy connectivity. The monitor comes with built-in speakers for an immersive sound. This LG monitor comes with 3 years brand warranty. You can avail EMI options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.